Mixtape is our newest experience. It's the first one that we have created that is designed to be permanent. So it will be open year-round. It will continue to evolve and change over time. There will be lots of reasons to come back again and again. But the idea of mixtape is inspired by music, of course, and the idea that music, and specifically the act of making and giving a mixtape as a gift. Factory Obscura experiences are a little different from your typical art experience, primarily in that you are encouraged to touch things, interact with things, explore. One thing that's very important to Factory Obscura is that the experiences we create are available for everyone. They are not just designed for kids, they're not just designed for adults, they really are designed for everyone to enjoy. And that also includes considerations related to accessibility. We try very hard to make our experiences fully accessible as much as possible. Everything is wheelchair accessible, although there are some places where climbing is required. And in those spots, of course, we always provide an alternate route, or we provide an alternate viewing angle. So even if you can't physically get up there, you can still kind of see what's going on. Mixtape is created in this iconic building, which many people have known as the Womb. The Flaming Lips previously occupied this space and gave it that name. So we were thrilled to be able to take over this space when they moved out last year and continue this kind of creative destination that they started. When Factory Obscura first got started in 2017, and we were doing a lot of research about, who else is doing this kind of work, and of course that led us to Meow Wolf. And so what started as just asking for advice eventually developed into a more formal partnership. And the kind of power that was created by our creative collaboration caused a new opening in time and space. And that new opening has connected Mixtape in Oklahoma City to Meow Wolf's House of Eternal Return in Santa Fe. Mixtape is the first permanent experience from Factory Obscura, so that we hope that people will come visit us not just once, but again and again. There will be new things to see all the time. And of course, we always love to put together an event or a party. So there's lots of those to come as well, now that we have a permanent home. And of course, there's lots of fun things to see with our neighbors on 9th Street and in Automobile Alley. There's always a lot going on. So you really can make a day of it. Tickets are available on our website, and that includes annual passes, which gets you unlimited admission for a full year, plus lots of other perks, including invitations to some of those parties and events that are coming up.